नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम दिलीप कुमार दुबे। आप देख रहे हैं दुबे लीगल ट्रेनर। तो दोस्तों, हमने बिहार जुडिशियल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर स्टार्ट किए थे। तो हमने 2000 का, 2009 का, 2013 का और 2016 का सॉल्व कर लिया है। और आज दोस्तों हम करेंगे 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व। तो दोस्तों हम जीके से स्टार्ट करेंगे। जैसे कि आपको मालूम है, जीके में 100 क्वेश्चन आते हैं और लॉ में आते हैं 150 क्वेश्चन। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पे है। ये है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द ओल्डेस्ट कल्चर ऑफ इंडिया? द पैलेलिथिक कल्चर। ए इज द राइट आंसर। हाउ मेनी वेदास आर देयर? ये तो सबको आना ही चाहिए। डी 4। कौन कौन से होते हैं ये आप कमेंट करके बताएंगे। 4 होते हैं, तो कौन कौन से होते हैं ये आप कमेंट करके बताएंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विद विच मटेरियल हड़प्पा कल्चर टूल वर मेड? सी कॉपर, ब्रॉन्ज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डॉकयार्ड इज unearthed from which Chalcolithic site? C. Lothal is the right answer. Next question, the end date of Pleistocene is 10,000 year BP. B is the right answer. The world famous rock art site in India is situated at Bhimbetka. C is the right answer. Next question, the first bed making evidence is found from which of the following? A. Patna. From which pre-Harappan site furrow evidence were found? Kalibangan is the right answer. The earliest culture unearthed at Chirand is a Neolithic culture. Next question, Damdama site is situated in which state? Uttar Pradesh. C is the right answer. Next question, which metal played an important role in second urbanization? D. Iron. Next question, the birthplace of Mahavir was at B. Kundagrama. Next question, the name of the mother of Mahatma Buddha was Mahamaya. A is the right answer. Patliputra was the capital of which kingdom? D. Magadha. The capital of Avanti kingdom was Ujjain. C is the right answer. Kautalya or Chanakya was the prime minister of which emperor? A is the right answer. Chandragupta Maurya. Ashoka invaded which kingdom? Kalinga. C is the right answer. Who convened the 4th Buddhist council? Kanishka. C is the right answer. Chandragupta II was the ruler of which dynasty empire? Gupta. B is the right answer. The Chandra of Mehurauli iron pillar inscription is associated with Chandragupta II. C is the right answer. The oldest coin of India are punch-marked coin. B is the right answer. Next question, who was the first president of independent India? Rajendra Prasad. B is the right answer. Which ruler established a department for the slaves? Ghulam. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. A is the right answer. How many parts are there in Akbarnama? 3. B is the right answer. Next question, Rajanama is the Persian translation of which book? Mahabharata. B is the right answer. Which of the following? Who was the last Hindu ruler of Delhi? The right answer is A. Hemchandra Vikramaditya. Next question, where is British Fort William situated? Kolkata is the right answer. The writer of Abhigyan Shakuntalam is Kalidas. A is the right answer. Deen-e-Ilahi in 1582 AD was promulgated by Akbar. C is the right answer. Who founded Khilafat Andolan? Maulana Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali is the right answer. Who started Banaras Hindu University? Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Who is the writer of the Indian War of Independence 1857? V.D. Savarkar. B is the right answer. Who led Sevinai Avagya Andolan? Mahatma Gandhi. D is the right answer. When did Chauri Chaura incidents take place? 5 February 1922. A is the right answer. Next question, where is RSS head office situated? Nagpur. D is the right answer. The state with highest percentage of geographical area under mountains topography that is more than 2000 meters is Arunachal Pradesh. C is the right answer. Which one of the following major river basin of India is smallest in terms of basin area? A is the right answer. Sabarmati. The next question is, identify the state sharing its boundary with maximum number of states. Uttar Pradesh. B is the right answer. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? D. Mahendragiri, Andhra Pradesh is right answer. Match the following list 1 to list 2. इसमें दोस्तों मैच द फॉलोइंग करना है, तो हमने इसका आंसर सी लगाया है. तो देखते हैं. ए का 2 कोल डिपॉजिट कैम्ब्रियन टू परमियन सिस्टम, ठीक है. और 3 का बी यानी कि पेट्रोल रिजर्व का आ जाएगा इकोसिन टू मायोसिन सिस्टम. और सी का आ गया पेनार का धरवार सिस्टम. और डायमंड डिपॉजिट कहाँ पे है? विधायन सिस्टम. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ए इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड, बाकी सब सही मैच किए हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द लार्जेस्ट सॉल्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया इज गुजरात. सी इज द राइट आंसर. वेन गंगा इज द ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गोदावरी. मैच लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो. दोस्तों हमको ये रेलवे जोन और हेडक्वार्टर्स दिए हैं, हमको सही मिलान करना है. तो ए का जो है वो हाजीपुर है, ईस्ट और सेंट्रल रेलवे का जो है वो है हाजीपुर, ठीक है. और साउथ सेंट्रल का कहाँ पे है? वो है सिकंदराबाद का, ठीक है. और वेस्ट सेंट्रल का कहाँ पे है? वो है जबलपुर, ठीक है. और डी का है इलाहाबाद, नॉर्थ सेंट्रल का इलाहाबाद, ठीक है. तो इसका आंसर ये हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ फॉरेस्ट कवर मध्य प्रदेश, ये गलत दिया गया है. ग्रे एंड ब्राउन सॉयल आर मोस्टली फाउंड इन राजस्थान एंड गुजरात. मैच लिस्ट 1 to 2, इसको भी अब मैच दी फॉलोइंग करना है दोस्तों. तो चलिए देखते हैं. प्लेटिनम का हो जाएगा उड़ीसा, उसके बाद सिल्वर का हो जाएगा राजस्थान, और डायमंड का हो जाएगा मध्य प्रदेश, ठीक है. टंगस्टन का हो जाएगा कर्नाटका, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं दोस्तों. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेजर पोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज रीनेम्ड एज दीनदयाल पोर्ट? कंडाला. सी इज द राइट आंसर. यहाँ पे फिर आ गया मैच दी फॉलोइंग लेक और स्टेट दिए, हमको मिलान करने हैं. तो चलिए दोस्तों मिलाते हैं. पुलिकट लेक कहाँ है? आंध्र प्रदेश में है. हरिके कहाँ पे है? पंजाब में है. और नल सरोवर कहाँ पे है? ये है अपना नल सरोवर है अपना गुजरात में. और वेदांतांगल कहाँ पे? तमिलनाडु. नाम से ही पता लग रहा है दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. 50th क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? डी. पवागाडा सोलर पार्क गुजरात, ये करेक्टली मैच नहीं है, बाकी सब करेक्ट हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दोस्तों, विच कंट्री होस्टेड द फीफा वर्ल्ड कप 2018? रशिया. बी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर विल दी 2022 एशियन गेम्स बी हेल्ड? चाइना. ए इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who is the vice chairman of Niti Aayog of India? C. Dr. Rajiv Kumar is the right answer. Next question, who is the present Secretary General of UNO? Antonio Guterres. A is the right answer. Next question, which cricketer has been chosen as the cricketer of the year 2017? Virat Kohli. B is the right answer. Next question, in which country the world's largest air purifier has been built? China. B is the right answer. Next question, what is the purpose of a Indian Pride project? Bringing Indian heritage back to India. D is the right answer. Next question, which scheme has been approved by the central government for proving skill training to 1 crore youth across the country? Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. A is the right answer. Next question, which union department has launched India Hackathon program? Ministry of Human Resource Development. B is the right answer. Next question, in which state Raksha Bandhan Day is celebrated as Tree Safety Day? Madhya Pradesh. A is the right answer. Next question, which expressway has been named as Atal Path? Bundelkhand Expressway. C is the right answer. Who is the present Chief Justice of Supreme Court? दोस्तों इसका आंसर अपडेट हो चुका है, तो आप लोग इसका आंसर अपडेटेड जो अभी करंट में है चीफ जस्टिस वही लगाएंगे, ठीक है दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑपरेशन मदद इज रिलेटेड टू केरला फ्लड रिलीफ. ए इज द राइट आंसर. हु इज द करंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ DMK? MK स्टैलिन, बी इज द राइट आंसर। दोस्तों जो ये चीफ जस्टिस थे करंट, ये आप कमेंट करके बताएंगे मुझे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी इज रिलेटेड टू सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, इज द राइट आंसर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड एज आयुष्मान भारत दिवस, धनतेरस, बी इज द राइट आंसर। मुगल सराय जंक्शन रेलवे स्टेशन हैज बीन ऑफिशियली रीनेम्ड एज दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जंक्शन रेलवे स्टेशन, सी इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बीन अवार्डेड लीजन ऑफ मेरिट अवार्ड बाय द यूएसए, जनरल दलवीर सिंह सुहाग, इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बेबी रानी मौर्य हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ विच स्टेट, डी उत्तराखंड, इज द राइट आंसर। Which state has published the first national register of citizens and NRC of India? Assam, C is the right answer. Next question, kilowatt hour is the unit of energy, is the right answer. Next question, in a nuclear reactor which one of the following is used as a fuel? Uranium, B is the right answer. In MRI machine what type of waves is used? Magnetic wave, D is the right answer. Which of the following types of laser is used in the laser printer? Semiconductor laser, C is the right answer. The power of lens is measured in diopter, C is the right answer. Fermi is a unit of length, B is the right answer. Computer tomography, CT scan uses X-rays, A is the right answer. In binary code the number 7 is written as 111, B is the right answer. Which one of the following has the highest melting point? Silicon, C is the right answer. The headquarter of ISRO is in Bangalore, D is the right answer. The discoverer of penicillin is Alexander Fleming, B is the right answer. The disease caused by virus is common cold, C is the right answer. In nuclear reactor, electricity is produced by the process of nuclear fission, A is the right answer. Which of the following countries has approved world's first dengue vaccine? Mexico, C is the right answer. Next question. First Indian satellite Aryabhat was launched in which year? 1975, C is the right answer. Next question. What is TERLS? A rocket launching station, A is the right answer. Ohm is a unit of measuring resistance, A is the right answer. Which among the following principle is used by bat? Sonar, A is the right answer. Baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate, B is the right answer. Density of water is highest at the temperature of 4 degrees Celsius, B is the right answer. Gobar gas contains mainly methane, A is the right answer. The Bhopal gas tragedy was caused by the leakage of which gas? Methyl isocyanate, C is the right answer. Consider the following: submarine communication, AM radio, shortwave radio, radar. Arrange the above in increasing frequency of wave used in their application. दोस्तों 1 2 3 4 ही आएगा, ये पहले ही सही तरीके से अरेंज किया हुआ है, तो दोस्तों इसकी सीक्वेंस भी 1 2 3 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In which year Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize for Raman effect? 1930. C is the right answer. The major component of LPG is butane. Identify the metal which is non-toxic in nature. Gold, B is the right answer. Which of the following glands produce insulin? Pancreas, A is the right answer. BCG immunization is for tuberculosis, B is the right answer. Which vitamin is most readily destroyed by heat? Ascorbic acid, B is the right answer. In which of the following region the ozone layer is present? Stratosphere, C is the right answer. दोस्तों हमने 100 क्वेश्चन जीके कर लिए, तो चलिए दोस्तों आगे बढ़ते हैं लॉ पोर्शन की तरफ. पहला क्वेश्चन लॉ का आपकी स्क्रीन पे है. द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट 1872 हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स एंड 11 चैप्टर्स. दोस्तों इसको याद करने की ट्रिक है, इसके कितने चैप्टर है, कितने पार्ट है, कितने पार्ट में कौन कौन से सेक्शन है, ये हम अपने आने वाली वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे. लेकिन पहले हम प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, जो कि बिहार जुडिशरी के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो चलिए दोस्तों नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. ए प्रोसिक्यूट्स बी फॉर एडल्ट्री विद सी इज वाइफ. बी डिनाइज दैट सी इज वाइफ, बट द कोर्ट convicts B of adultery. Afterwards, C is prosecuted for bigamy for marrying B during A's lifetime. C says that she never was A's wife. The judgment against B is irrelevant against C. B is the right answer. Next question. Law of evidence is an adjective law. B is the right answer. Electronic record in proper custody provides a presumption as to the digital signature to be affixed by the particular person under Section 90A of the Indian Evidence Act if the electronic record produced is 5-year old. D is the right answer. Next question. Necessity rule as to be admissible in evidence is contained in Section 32 of Indian Evidence Act. B is the right answer. Next question. Section 105 of Indian Evidence Act applies to criminal trials. A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Professional communication 124. D is the right answer. It is not correct. Classification of offences is given in CRPC under first schedule. B is the right answer. It is mandatory to produce the person arrested before the magistrate within 24 hours of his arrest under Section 57 of CRPC. B is the right answer. Next question. Under Section 167 of CRPC, magistrate can authorize detention for a total period of 90 days during investigation in case of offence punishable with death, with imprisonment for life, with imprisonment for a term not less than 10 years. All of the above is correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question. The term victim is defined under Section 2WA. B is the right answer. Next question. Every person aware of commission of an offence punishable under which of the following section is necessary to give information thereof to the nearer magistrate to police or police officer. Section 302 of Indian Penal Code. B is the right answer. इसका आंसर दोस्तों गलत लग रहा है मुझे, तो इसको रीचेक कर लेंगे. ठीक है, इसको रीचेक कर लेंगे दोस्तों हम, और अगर किसी को इसका आंसर मिलता है तो वो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बता सकता है. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. ए डिसीजन इन अ सूट मे ऑपरेट एज रेस जुडिकेटा अगेंस्ट पर्सन नॉट एक्सप्रेसली नेम्ड एज पार्टीज टू द सूट बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन 6 to Section 11 of CPC. C is the right answer. Next question. The court may impose a fine for default upon a person required to give evidence or to produce document directed under Section 30B of CPC, and such fine as per Section 32C is not exceed rupees 5,000. C is the right answer. Appointment of receiver has been dealt with under Article 40. C is the right answer. Next question. The provision for substituted service of summon on the defendant has been made under Order 5, Rule 20 of CPC. C is the right answer. Next question. In case of urgent or immediate relief where leave to investigate the suit without service of notice under Section 80 of CPC has been granted, no interim or otherwise ex parte relief can be granted. A is the right answer. Next question. The arbitrator in case of international commercial arbitration is appointed by both A and B, the parties themselves, the Attorney General of India. Both are correct answer. Next question. The Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Act 2015 came into force on 23rd October 2015. A is the right answer. Next question. The decree or order made by small cause court are revisable by the High Court. B is the right answer. Clause K to Article 51A was added by the Constitutional 86th Amendment Act 2002. Next question. In which of the following cases free and fair election is recognized as basic structure of the Indian Constitution? Indira Gandhi versus Rajnarayan. A is the right answer. Next question. Which one of the following cases is related to doctrine of severability? Minerva versus Union of India. C is the right answer. The Parliament has power to legislate with respect to a matter in state list provided it is in the national interest. B is the right answer. Courts are flooded with a large number of PILs, so it is desirable for courts to filter out a frivolous petition and dismiss them with cost. In which of the following judgment it was held? Holy Cow Picture Private Limited versus Prem Chandra Mishra. C is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following expressed the view that the Indian Constitution is federal as much as it established what may be called a dual polity. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the right answer. Next question. The law declared by the Supreme Court becomes law of the land under Article 141. Article C is the right answer. The power of President of India to issue an ordinance is an legislative power is the right answer. In first instance, the President can issue a proclamation of financial emergency for a period of 2 months. B is the right answer. In which of the following landmark judgment, right to privacy has been declared as a fundamental right? Justice K.S. Puttaswamy retired versus Union of India. B is the right answer. In which of the following judgment of Supreme Court, triple talaq was declared unconstitutional? Both A and B. Shaira Bano versus Union of India, Gulshan Parveen versus Union of India. Both are correct answer. C is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following does not find place in the preamble of Constitution of India? Education for everyone. C is the right answer. Professor K.C. Weir said that the Constitution of India quasi-federal is quasi-federal. D is the right answer. In which case, the dissolution of Bihar Legislative Assembly by the governor before formation of government was declared unconstitutional. Rameshwar Prasad versus Union of India. B is the right answer. Next question. A member of State Public Service Commission can be removed on the ground of misbehavior only after an inquiry has been held by the Supreme Court of India on referring being made to it by the President. A is the right answer. Next question. Carry forward rule is ultra vires was held in case Dev Dasan versus Union of India. A is the right answer. Which one of the following is not correct? Right to go abroad is not a fundamental right. C is the right answer. Right to freedom of religion cannot be restricted on the ground of security of the state. C is the right answer. Next question. Legal maxim or trefois is related to dual jeopardy. A is the right answer. Double jeopardy is the right answer. Next question. The principle of sovereign immunity will not apply to a proceeding for award or compensation for violation of fundamental rights. Rudra Shah versus State of Bihar. B is the right answer. Next question. According to A.V. Dicey, in India, the rule of law is embodied in Article 14 of the Constitution of India. C is the right answer. Next question. थोड़ा धुंधला है दोस्तों, पर मैं इसको रीड कर देता हूँ, आप लोगों को समझ लग जाएगा. Administrative law is a study of pathology of power in a developing society. Who among the following jurist has given the definition? Professor Upendra Bakshi. Next question. In which case Chief Justice Ray said that the Constitution is a rule of law that no one can use above the rule of law. That no one can rise above the rule of law in the Constitution. ADM Jabalpur versus SK Shukla. B is the right answer. Which of the following cases is not related with the rule of law? SP Gupta versus Union of India. C is the right answer. Which doctrine of administrative law is a dilatory doctrine because of many exceptions? Doctrine of separation of power is the right answer. There are bulk of law which governs people and which come not from the legislature but from the chamber of administrator. This is called delegated legislation and it is different from executive legislation. Delegated legislation must be controlled so that it can be properly exercised. What is the control of delegated legislation? All of the above is correct answer. Parliamentary control, procedural control, judicial control. So D is the right answer. The test for determining bias is known as reasonable likelihood test. C is the right answer. Rule of law means pervasiveness of the spirit of law and avoid arbitrariness. D is the right answer. Next question. Natural justice is a universal fact of secular life which has given administration and judicial adjudication and provided way to objective life. These rules are part of social justice. This statement was given by Justice Vaidyanathapuram Rama Iyer Krishna Iyer. B is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following doctrines were developed by the court to control the administrative action in India? The answer is C. Both A and B. Doctrine of promissory estoppel and doctrine of legitimate expectation. Doctrine of separation of power, judicial activism and rule of law. Next question. A writ of mandamus will not lie against the President of India is the right answer. Article 310 of the Indian Constitution embodies the doctrine of pleasure is the right answer. Which is the effect of violation of the rule audi alteram partem on an administrative action? B. Null and void. Next question. In which of the following case the Supreme Court held that The principle of natural justice are applicable to administrative proceedings also. A.K. Kraipak versus Union of India. C is the right answer. Next question. When reviewing administrative action, the court's duty is to confine itself to the question of legality. What is the ground for judicial review? Both. C is the right answer. A and B. Committed an error of law or exceeded its power. Breach of natural justice or decision without reason. So C is the correct answer. Next question is writ of prohibition cannot be issued against executive body. A is the right answer. Next question. Writ of quo warranto can be filed by any private person whether aggrieved or not. C is the right answer. Next question. The idea of ombudsman was first suggested by who among the following? Motilal Chimanlal Setalwad. MC Setalwad. D is the right answer. The next question is the action of administrative tribunal is considered as quasi-judicial. C is the right answer. Next question. Mitakshara is a commentary on Yajnavalkya Smriti. B is the right answer. Next question. By the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, daughter of co-partner has become a co-partner. D is the right answer. Marriage of a Hindu co-partner with a Hindu girl or with any other under the Special Marriage Act 1954 automatically subs his membership of the co-partnership and of the joint family. B is the right answer. Pregnancy of a girl at the time of her marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 will be a ground for making the marriage as voidable. D is the right answer. Sapinda relationship under the Hindu law towards the father's and mother's side extends up to 5 degrees towards the father's side and 3 degrees towards the mother's side. C is the right answer. Next question is a degree of judicial separation passed by a competent court between the parties to a marriage does not affect the marital relationship but suspends the conjugal relationship till the period of decree. D is the right answer. Under the Hindu Succession Act 1956, daughters, son and fathers of a Hindu, male Hindu and legal heirs are legal heirs and they are placed as the following. Daughter's son is placed as class 1 and father as class 2 here of the schedule. C is the right answer. Marriage of a Hindu male or female under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 with a person of unsound mind or one suffering from mental disorder is voidable. C is the right answer. Next question is a child to be adopted under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 should be a child belonging to Hindu religion and below the age of 15 years. B is the right answer. Next question. Under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, a marriage is treated as void if it is contravenes the condition given under Section 5, 1, 4 and 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act. D is the right answer. Next question. A marriage prohibited under the Mohammedan law by reason of difference of religion if done is irregular. C is the right answer. Next question. According to Section 4 of the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, apostasy from Islam of a Muslim wife will not dissolve her marriage ipso facto. B is the right answer. Which one of the following is not essential for a valid gift or hiba under the Muslim Mohammedan law? Written documentary proof of the gift. D is the right answer. Which one of the following is the leading case under Mohammedan law on widows' right to retain possession of her husband's property? Maina Bibi versus Chaudhry Wakil Ahmed. D is the right answer. Who under the Mohammedan law can claim right of preemption? All of the above. Shafi'i Sharik, Shafi'i Khalid, Shafi'i Jar. All can be right of preemption. Next question is in favor of who among the following be bequeathed by a Muslim is valid? A grandson in case of a predeceased son. In case of waqf, the waqf property vested in Almighty. C is the right answer. By the third pronouncement utterance of talaq, which kind of talaq becomes effective? Talaq-e-Hasan. A is the right answer. Next question. In Sunni law of inheritance, the total number of shares is 12. D is the right answer. Who is a primary here under Sunni law? None of the above. D is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is not actionable claim? Right to claim decretal sum. C is the right answer. Next question. The general principle of law is that no man can transfer a better title in property than what he himself has got. Exception to this rule is found in section 41 and 43 of Transfer of Property Act. D is the right answer. No transfer of property can operate to create an interest which is to take effect after the lifetime of one or more person living at the date of such transfer. This provision is covered under the rule against perpetuity. C is the right answer. Next question is the principle of lease pending pertains to public utility. A is the right answer. Mortgage by conditional sale is mortgage. B is the right answer. Next question is the vested interest in property depends on the happening of an event which is bound to happen. B is the right answer. A transferred his property to B for life and after his death to C and D equally to be divided between them or to the survivor of them. C dies during lifetime of B. D survives B. At B's death, the property shall pass to D. C is the right answer. Next question. There are some characteristics of usufructuary mortgage under section 58 of TPA. 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. There is no personal liability on mortgager. No time limit is fixed. Mortgagee takes the whole or part of the rent and profit. So all of the above are relevant. Next question is such condition shall be void which is dependent on more than one possibility. The principle was recognized later in Whitby versus Mitchell. Is the right answer. Next question. A takes a loan of rupees 5,000 from B and mortgages his house as security. In the mortgage deed, it was also mentioned that if he could not pay the amount within 5 years, then B will have right to sell the house and recover his amount. If the money could not be recovered from sale of house, then A will be personally liable. It is simple mortgage. D is the right answer. Next question is statutory recognition of the principle of equity in the Specific Relief Act is regarding injunction, specific performance, rectification of and recession. All of the answer are correct. So D is the right answer. Next question is he who seeks equity must do equity is particularly incorporated in which of the following? None of the above is correct answer. Next question is section 48, 78, 79 of TPA provides the example of which of the following maxim? Where equities are equal, the first in time shall prevail is the right answer. Next question. Where there is equal equity, the law shall prevail. Which of the following doctrine of Indian law is based on this maxim? All of the above. Doctrine of set-off, doctrine of marshalling, doctrine of election. All of the options are correct. Next question. Choose the correct option. Neither A nor B. All are incorrect options. So D is the right answer. Which one of the following person is not necessary for creation of trust? Legal representative. Liability of a trustee is provided under section 23 to 29 of the Indian Trust Act. A is the right answer. Liability for breach of trust has been provided in section 23 of Indian Trust Act. A is the right answer. In case of specific performance of a contract, the rights of the parties are governed by the principle of equity and law. C is the correct answer. The relief by the way of mandatory injunction is discretionary. A is the correct answer. Next question. Tortious liability arises from the breach of duty primarily fixed by the law. Who said this statement? Winfield. B is the correct answer. Whether for a wrong both tortious and criminal liability may arise, both the liability may arise. C is the correct answer. The pigeonhole theory was propounded by Salmon. A is the correct answer. Mughal Steamship Company versus McGregor Go and Company 1892 AC 25 belongs to which of the following maxim? Damnum sine injuria. C is the correct answer. The maxim scanty non-fit injuria means mere knowledge does not imply consent to take risk. B is the right answer. Right of action is extinguished by the death of one or other parties. This statement is true except in certain cases. C is the correct answer. In the law of torts, nominal damage are awarded for the recognition of legal rights. B is the correct answer. Next question. Distress damages feasant means right to detain the things until compensation is paid. A is the correct answer. Next question. An unlawful interference with person's use or enjoyment of land or some right over or in connection with it is known as tort of nuisance. B is correct answer. Next question. in which case fundamental test for determining duty to take care was laid down. Donoghue versus Stephenson. B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not an element in establishing a case in libel? A section of the public who know less of the plaintiff. C is the correct answer. If a person wants to bring an action under law of torts for the torts of public nuisance, he must have to prove that the injury was direct and substantial only to him. A is the correct answer. Malicious prosecution under the law of tort means proceeding in a court of law charging a person with a crime. B is the correct answer. False imprisonment means a total restraint of a person's liberty without lawful jurisdiction. C is the correct answer. Next question is a person who knowingly and without sufficient justification induces another to break a contract with third person whereby the third person suffers damage is a tort. For the first time, it was established in which of the following case? Lumley versus Guy. B is the correct answer. Next question. A contract which ceases to be enforceable by law ceases to be enforceable. It is known as void contract. B is the correct answer. The legal principle which was laid down in the case of Harvey versus Facey was firstly followed by the Supreme Court of India in which of the following cases? D.I. Macpherson versus M.N. Appanna. C is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following element is not necessary for a contract? Reasonable terms and condition. B is the correct answer. In standard form of contract, the individual has no choice but no accept. A is the correct answer. What would be the effect of mistake as to law enforced in India on a contract? The contract will be not voidable. B is the correct answer. Next question. A guru, spiritual advisor, induces the chela, his devotee, to gift him whole of his property to secure benefit of his soul in the heaven. This gift shall be voidable. B is the correct answer. Next question. Section 128 of Indian Contract Act 1872 is related with surety, liability. A is the correct answer. Next question. A continuing guarantee may be revoked for further transaction at any time. B is the correct answer. Next question. If the bailee without the consent of the bailer mixes the goods of the bailer with his own goods in such a manner that it is impossible to separate the goods and deliver them back, the bailer is entitled to be compensated by the bailee for the loss of goods. A is the correct answer. Next question. The bailment of goods as security for payment of a debt or performance of a promise is called pledge. B is the right answer. Who may employ an agent? Any major person of sound mind. C is the correct answer. Any major person of sound mind may employ an agent. Next question. In which of the following condition can an agent subdelegates his authority to another person? When commercial practice involves such delegation. D is the correct answer. Next question. Indemnity holder acting within the scope of his authority is entitled to recover from the promisor. All of the above are correct answer. All damages which he may be compelled to pay in any suit, all cost which he may be compelled to pay in any suit, all sum which he may have paid under the terms of any compromise of any suit. So all of the options are correct. Next question. The case of Moses versus Mays Farlan deals with which of the following quasi-contract? A is the correct answer. When the parties to a contract agree to substitute the existing contract with a new contract, it is known as novation. B is the correct answer. An unpaid seller can exercise the right of lien when the buyer has become insolvent. D is the right answer. Which of the following is not included in the definition of goods? Actionable claim. A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct? A stipulation as a warranty may not be treated as condition. B is the right answer. Next question. A seller sells undergarments which causes skin disease to buyer. What is the liability of the seller? He is liable for breach of a condition. B is the right answer. Which of the following is not an exception to the doctrine of nemo dat quod non habet? Sale by buyer in possession before sell. C is the right answer. Who among the following is a partner? A person sharing the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them. B is the right answer. Next question. A partnership is partnership at will. D is the right answer, both A and B. The first option is when no provision is made for duration of partnership, and the second option is when no provision is made for the determination of partnership. So D is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not essential ingredient of holding out under Section 28 of Partnership Act? Representation without knowledge. D is the right answer. Which of the following is not correct about a minor? He is personally liable for the act of the firm. C is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is not a condition precedent for filing a suit under Section 69 of Partnership Act? The enforcement of any statutory right. D is the right answer. Next question. When a negotiable instrument is dishonored, the liable party pays compensation to holder. A is the right answer. Next question. The next question is which of the following is not an example of a negotiable instrument? Share certificate. C is the right answer. Next question. A draws a check in favor of B, a minor, B endorses it in favor of C, and C endorses in favor of D. The check is dishonored. Which of the following is not correct about liabilities of parties? C and D can claim from B. A is the right answer, but it is incorrect. Next question is which of the following is not correct with regard to presentment for acceptance? The bill cannot be presented to legal representation in case of death of drawee. D is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to bouncing of a check? Offense of check bouncing is a compoundable offense. A is the correct answer. Next question. An application for prevention of oppression and mismanagement in a company should be made to the National Company Law Tribunal. C is the right answer. For dissolution of a company, the tribunal shall order order when affairs of the company are completely wound up. B is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct? A company can have more than one manager at the same time. B is the right answer, but it is not correct. Next question. A director appointed to fill up casual vacancy will hold office up to date of expiry of term of office outgoing director. D is the right answer. Next question is last list 1 and list 2. We have to match the following options. So देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या होगा. ए का 4 means Royal British Bank versus Turquand is related to indoor management, and Salman versus Salman Company Limited is related with corporate personality, and Foss versus Harbottle C is related to rule of majority. Okay, and Ashbury Railway Carriage and Iron Company Limited versus Rishi, it is related to doctrine of ultravirus. सो दोस्तों हमने 150 क्वेश्चन पूरे कर लिए हैं और हमारा ये 2018 का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर कंप्लीट होता है. तो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको 2020 का पेपर प्रोवाइड कर देंगे और इससे ही हमारी ये प्लेलिस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. और आप लोगों को ऑल दी बेस्ट. आप लोगों के एडमिट कार्ड आ चुके हैं बिहार जुडिशियल सर्विसेज सिविल जज के एग्जामिनेशन के. तो दोस्तों जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. यहीं पे हम अपनी वीडियो ख़त्म करते हैं.